so I thought I might show a bit of an update and ask for advice from people out there on the internet about how I might make the tops for these posts. I've got some ideas, I'll share those, but I'd like to hear your thoughts. So I'll go through the varieties and just point out how they've gone, if they're doing well or not. So this first one is Colombian Supreme. Absolute beast, almost at the top, growing very quickly. Couple of pineapples. These are just Queensland grown variety. I'm not quite sure what it is. I could probably put it on the screen if I figure it out. They're growing really well. They're just the tops from some store-bought pineapples. This one's a yellow dragon fruit. I only recently planted this one, maybe 3 weeks ago. It seems to be doing fine. It's actually got a flower on there, which is, yeah, it shouldn't be fruiting yet, so I'll pull that off. Third variety is Aztec Gem. Now, Aztec Gem has been a really slow grower. It has shot out a shoot, so this part here, this top section is new on that cutting, and the other cutting hasn't shot at all. So Aztec Gem, fairly slow. Next one, this has been the fastest grower. This is Trish. So it's already reached the top of the pole and it's hanging back down. This one will fruit in spring, I imagine. And then the last variety I've got is Condor, which is growing pretty well, almost at the top there. Yeah, so I've got to make something, well, I think I have to make something for the tops. So, I mean, every other dragon fruit trellis I've used in the past, I've had a top. It's usually been something pretty simple, just a wooden cross or a steel hoop for the dragon fruit to flow or to hang over. And it allows you to, you can cut the top and get a whole bunch of shoots hanging over that top hoop, hanging back down and fruiting. Now, I built these because I wanted something a bit more permanent. I didn't want something flimsy, timber, etc. So I built these really solid posts, but I didn't put too much thought into the top. So I was thinking originally I might just tie them at the top and just let them hang over. I don't know if that's a good idea or not. Another idea I've had was to, and it's a bit late now, but I could have cast a bolt up in the middle and then hung some chains off that bolt with a steel hoop. An idea I'm having now is, because these were made with 150mm PVC pipe as the actual mold, I might get some 150mm PVC pipe, some short sections, and then I could just drill through the pipe and put some steel pipe through, or put some PVC pipe through and make a structure out of that, and then kind of just sit it on the top. Should sit on quite well, and then I'd obviously paint that to protect it from the sun a little bit. So really keen to hear your thoughts. How do you think I could top these posts to get the best out of my dragon fruit? So not much in this one, just after a bit of advice about what I can maybe do for the tops. Obviously this is a very different style pole than is used commercially, and very different to what I've used in the past. I wanted to do something different, something a bit permanent and good for the home garden. So thanks for watching. Thanks for any ideas you can share, and yeah, have a good one.